Farmers are learning how to engage with and have a conversation with consumers about farming and food production at this South Dakota Soybean Developing Consumer Trust Workshop. Donna Moenning with the Center for Food Integrity led this session and says 65% of consumers want to know how their food is produced.
We need to be transparent about what we're doing. We need to answer questions. We need to listen to consumers and really provide meaningful answers to what they're seeking.
However, she warned against using scientific data to answer questions.
Until we trust someone, then we'll look to their information. How do you build trust? Shared values is a piece of that.
Farmers then learned how to have that conversation with consumers.
We're supposed to listen to the consumer and ask questions to make sure we are understanding what the consumer is asking. And at the end, we want to let them know that we share the same value.
This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.